Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing of the MatrixLine polycarbonate cockpit kit for 110 trucks, or 110 scale trucks. Found this online. It seemed like something that might work for my bomb, and so that's what I'm going to try it on. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Turns out that it might be made by KillerBody. I mean, if you can see the decals show KillerBody on it. And if you're not familiar with KillerBody, they make hard bodies for RC trucks. Instruction manual. So that's what it's gonna look like. So let's see here. First off, we got the base of where everything's put to I don't know, I guess what it looks like, nitrous bottles. I guess maybe these are for short course trucks, but I'm gonna try to use it in my crawler, see if it'll fit. Nice helmet for the figure. So hard plastic details. Some mounting 3M tape and hardware. This is like a little fire extinguisher panel. Goes on to the passenger side of this. Then they've got the this here is the driver body, which goes on this side, of course. Actually, you know, they give you the option of putting it on either side because both sides are equal, so you can go right hand side drive or left hand side drive, it looks like. And last part of this interior kit is the dash, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the details, but it's got a little dashboard right there. Everything's facing this way for the driver. So of course, if you use the dash, you're gonna have to make the driver left-hand drive. But so that should look pretty cool. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Thanks for watching.